Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back. Friends, let's see today what's the current situation of your partner and current feelings of your partner. See that all two stars starting a reverse. Let's see. Your bottom of the like page of swords. At present, I feel your person is spying on you, or either you are spying on your person. This energy is definitely prominent. The first card is strength. Your person is gaining strength. You can say that, or someone is helping your person to gain strength because the person needs immense strength right now. Whatever situation in your person's life at present is going on, it is not very encouraging or very good. Because of that, your person needs a lot of strength, because ace of wands cards is coming in the reverse. So the passionate proposal your person wanted to give you, because eight of wands card is coming. Your person wanted to give you some proposal, some passionate proposal or something like that, but I don't see coming very passionate proposal towards you, because the card has come in reverse. If this card has opened in a upright position, I could have said that they would have proposed you, or they would have sent you some passionate message or something like that, but this card is in reverse. So I don't see communication coming from your partner, though you want communication to come from your partner's side, but I don't see coming that proposal from your partner's side, because the world card is coming. I think your person is going through a major transformation, or major cycle is completing in your person's life, you can say that, or your ego of your person, you can say the ego of your person is diminishing and it's closing. You can on a closing cycle of your ego of your person, you can say that. Your queen of cups, at present you and your person both are very emotional, or maybe you both may be watching lots of tarot videos to know the feelings of each other. I feel that's way both are feeling very emotional. Friends, today is 5 if you add the date 5th May 2021, it adds to 5 means change. 5 means communication. I've definitely a card of communication has come in this reading, but I don't feel the communication will come to you. And May is also represent a number 5 month, so definitely change would come in your person's attitude, behavior, or there may be change in your life or in your family, or some renovation in your house, or some change in your life. I see coming in this month, May month, because number 5 represents May, and May is a change number. Name represents change. 5 number represents change. Because of that, I feel major changes coming in you and your person's life. See what kind of cards are opening. 6 of swords, 7 of cups, and knight of wands. See what kind of situation your person is going through right now. 6 of swords means completely disastrous kind of situation. In this card you can see this boat is not moving at all. In fact, 3 crows have tied the strings to the boat, and they are trying to move the boat. Your person is in such a bad condition that they don't want to even move their boat at all. They are stuck, completely stuck. They are going through a very rough weather, you can say that. Very rough weather a person is going through, and they are thinking lot of options. I think so, lot of things is going into their mind. They are juggling a lot, what they should do and what they should not do. All this kind of energy is going in your person's mind. Knight of wands card is coming. Your person is also tired of their in and out of situation, what they are completely doing with you. They are coming in your life, they are going out of your life. They know this Casanova kind of behavior is not going to work now in future with you. They know that, and this because of that they are juggling a lot. Your person is juggling a lot about their feelings, about their actions, about all those things. They know they have to make a decision. This person knows what decision they have to make. Just see, you can see a person knows this person is holding a wand, they have a globe, they have a map, everything is ready. They know in which direction they have to move, but they are not able to take any action. They know that they have to make a offer to you, or they have to move some kind of proposal they have to give to you to make this union possible. They know this, but they are not able to take action because of this kind of situation. Your person is in completely stuck energy at present. They feel stuck, you can say that. Again, the second time the world card is coming for your person. I am telling you, major changes are coming in your person's life. A major cycle is coming in your person's life, I could say that. Or in your life, major cycles are closing, or you can think of changing a place or going to some another place also. This is also quite possible when world card comes out. Six of Pentacles, definitely they want to balance this relationship and they want to communicate. Again, the same many page cards are coming in this reading. Page of Pentacles, Page of Wands, again Page of Wands twice. Page of Wands is mostly a person definitely comes in this situation, but they are not that matured or to give you a matured proposal or a solid foundation proposal. This is very page kind of energy, very small proposal or very small gesture they can make towards you, but not complete a long-term relationship, because Page of Wands is also a Casanova kind of energy. Person coming in, coming, going out, coming in, coming out. This kind of energy is prominent in your person's chart. So I don't feel that solid communication coming, but definitely change is coming or some kind of communication can come. See, your person is behind the family. Your person is want this kind of family with you. They are thinking about this family, or maybe in the family they may be there are a lot of people those who must be playing games with them. They are feeling like that either their parents or their third party, they feel that they are playing games with them. This kind of energy is there in a person's surrounding. Behind a mask, a person is still wearing a mask. They have not removed their mask at present. They need to remove their mask. They have hidden their true feelings behind their mask. What is inside them, they are not showing you completely, because they definitely know that you are the person they want to be with you. They know how loving you are, and they want to offer their love to you, because this is a kind of feeling they have that is hidden behind their mask or behind inside them. They are not showing you. They consider in a very high regards, honoring path. They know you deserve love, you deserve respect, you deserve everything, a family life, everything, because they know their your value, you can say that. They know your value, you can say. Now see what is in this card. Yeah, I'm telling you now. See, a person definitely wants to expand their family or something. They are thinking of making a family with you or expanding their family with you. They are only in the thinking stage, you can say that, because the person is still very confused. You can say this, how the clear card is coming, confusion. Still there are so many, you can say so many clouds are surrounding in their mind. They are not getting clarity what they should do, because they don't know what is in their destiny. They are definitely consulting some people or some astrologer or some what is written in the destiny. They want to know who is that true soulmate or twin flame. They are trying to find out that, and they are working very hard for this. They are working for this. They are working towards knowing their future. They are working towards knowing who is a true soulmate or the twin flame. They are working towards that. Your partner is definitely working towards that situation. See, your person is fighting a battle within themselves. They don't know what to choose and whom to choose and when to choose. They don't know that. Choose your battles. The universe is telling them you only have to decide what is right and what is wrong for you. Not asking astrologers and tarot readers. You have to know within you, within your heart. You have to look inside yourself to know what is right and what is wrong. That's the thing that your person is not recognizing, and they are definitely feeling very helpless, and they feel that they have missed the opportunity of being with you, or they have missed the opportunity when you were trying to contact them. They did not respond to you. This kind of feeling is going into your mind, and yeah, they want to move towards your love towards you, but they at present they are feeling whether you have moved on, your love has moved some to or some other place, or they are not concentrating on them. So this kind of feeling is going into their mind, and they are confronting themselves. They are confronting themselves where they were wrong, why they behave in this way, why they insulted you so many times, why was they say rigid, they were so rigid with you. This kind of thinking is going in your person's mind. They are confronting themselves. It's good because when a person starts confronting themselves, they try to find out answers and they know where they are wrong. They are trying to search where they were wrong with you and why they were behaving in this kind of behavior or why they were doing this way. They are trying to confront themselves. Okay friends, hope you got some idea why what's the fear and feeling of your partners. Thanks for watching.